This is a 2009 iMac, and I did the poor dumbass decision of installing a Linux distribution on it. So for whatever reason, what happened after I did that was that after Grub, it would boot to a black screen. If you have this issue too, I want to show you how to fix that. So, when you get to Grub, you're going to want to press the E button. The E button will bring you to something like this. Actually, whoops. The E button will bring you to something like this. When you do that, you're going to want to go to the first line that says Linux, right here. And after quiet, you're going to want to write splash, no mode, set. And after that, you're going to want to press F10, then enter. After you press enter, if all goes according to plan, one can only hope that everything will boot up just fine. Our password. See me moving my mouse. That feels really nice and calm to do that. Check that out. What's up? Everything's working like computers should. Alright. Hopefully this video helped you out. Lessons to be learned. Don't use your old technology and install Linux distributions to expand the longevity of them. Just buy a new computer, man.